students, let us continue with chapter 32, area and perimeter. So in our previous class we had started with exercise 32b. So today let us continue with the exercise 32b. So we had completed till the 10th question. Let us do the 11th question today. Okay, question number 11. Length of a rectangle is 30 meter and breadth is equal to 20 meter. Find increase in length if its length is increased by 10 meter and breadth is doubled. Okay, find the increase in area in that case. How do you find it? So first we'll find the area of the given rectangle, that is L into B is equal to 30 into 20 equal to 600 meter square. So new length. What will be the new length? Area is increased by 10 meter. 30 plus 10 is 40 meter and breadth is equal to doubled. 20 into 2, that is equal to again 40. So what will be the area? Area is equal to L into B. So 40 into 40 equal to 1600 meter square. Okay. So what do you get? What we need to find it? Find the increase in area. Increase in area will be what? Increase in area equal to 1600 minus 600, that is equal to 1000 meter square. Coming to question number 12. The side of a square field is 16 meter. Side is equal to 16 meter. What will be the increase in its area if each side is increased by 4? So first, area of given square. Area of given square. Area of given square is equal to 16 into 16, that is equal to 256 meter square. What will be the increase if area is increased by, each side is increased by 4 meter. So new side given us 16 plus 4 equal to 20 meters. New area will be what? New area is equal to 20 into 20 equal to 400 meter square. So increase in area will be what in this case? Increase in area equal to 400 minus 256, that is equal to 144 meter square. Now second case you have each side is doubled. Each side doubled. So new side in this case, second case, new side will be what? 16 into 16. 16 plus 16, double, no? That is equal to 32 meters it will be. So new area will be what? New area is equal to 32 into 32. That is equal to 1024, right? 32 into 32. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Okay, you will get 3 3s are 9. So you will get 1024 meter square. So increase in area in this case will be what? Increase in area is equal to 1024 minus 256. 1024 minus 256 will be equal to 861. 168 meter square. Coming to the 13th question. Each rectangle tile is 40 centimeter long. So length is given 40 centimeter and width or breadth is given as 30 centimeter. How many tiles will be required to cover the floor of a room with length 4.8 and breadth length of room? So first we'll find the area of the tile. Area of tile is equal to 40 into 30, that is equal to 1200 centimeter square, that is equal to 12 meter square. The 1200 centimeter square, let us keep it like that, then we'll change it. Now area of the room we'll find out. Length of the room is what? 4.8 meters. Breadth of the room is 2.4 meters. So let me convert it into centimeter. 480 centimeter and 240 centimeter. Now area of the room will be what? Area of room is equal to 480 into 240. 48 into 24 will give you 4 8s are 32, 4 4s are 16, 19 into 2 8s are 16, 1, 2 4s are 8, 9. So 2, 5, 1. So you'll get 115200 will be your area of the room. So now we need to find number of tiles required. Number of tiles required will be what? Number of tiles required will be area of the room divided by area of each tile, right? 1200. So I can cancel this. 1152 divided by 12. So 12 into 12 tens are will not come. So 12 nines are what we get, we'll see. 12 nines are 2 9s are 18, 1, 9 ones 108. 9s are 108. So what do you get here? 7. Yeah, 72. 12 goes in 72 how many times? 6 times. So your answer will be 96 tiles required. Okay. Now coming to the 14th question, you can do it as a homework. So because it's a similar question, let me come to the 15th question. The perimeter of a square plot is, perimeter is 360 meter. Find its area. So in order to find the area, let's find the side. Side is equal to, it's a square plot. So 360 by 4, that is equal to 90 meters. Area is equal to 90 into 90, that is equal to 9 9 81. 8,100 meters square. Cost of fencing the boundary at the rate of 40 per meter. So first sub question we got. Second sub question, cost will be what? 40 rupees per meter. So 8,100 into 40 you need to find out. 81 into 4 will give you 4. So your answer will be 34,000 rupees. 3 zeros only. Okay. So your answer would be the answer 3,24,000. Okay. Now cost of leveling the plot at, okay, fencing the boundary. Sorry, first one is fencing the boundary only you need to fence, right? So when you're fencing the boundary, this will not be. This is the answer for the third sub question. Is it clear, children? Third sub question, cost of leveling the plot. Leveling the plot only area into the. Okay, let's come. I'll do that again. Second sub question we have leveling the plot. How much we'll take for fencing the boundary. So boundary means only the perimeter is required, right? So for the second sub question, cost will be equal to the perimeter into 40. Okay, into 40. That is equal to rupees 1,440. Now third question we have cost of leveling the plot. So leveling the plot we need to take the area only into 40, 60, right? Rupees 60 per. So 81 into 6, 6, 8, 6 are 48. So 4,86,000 rupees, 4,86,000. Okay. Coming to question number 16. The perimeter of a rectangle is again 500 meters. Length is equal to 150 meters. Find its breadth. Breadth is equal to 500 by 150. No, perimeter is given here, right? So let's do that. When perimeter is given, you already know how to find the breadth. How will you find it out? Breadth is equal to perimeter by 2 minus L, right? Perimeter by 2 minus L will give you the breadth. So B is equal to, so 500 by 2 minus 150, 250 minus 150 equal to 100 meters. So here breadth is equal to 100 meters. Now what you need to find out here? They've asked you to find out its area. Second question is area. Area is equal to length into breadth. That is 150 into 100 equal to 1,15,000. Okay, for 150 into 100 will give you 15,000 meter square. Now next is cost of plowing the field at the rate of 1.2 per square meter. Okay, so third one is cost of plowing the field means area into 1 point. So cost will be equal to 15,000 into 1.20. It is 12 into 15. It's 180, right? So 80. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. So put here. So what you get? Rupees 18,000. Is it clear? I multiplied everything. Let's do question number 17. The cost of flooring a rectangular hall at rupees 64 per square meter is rupees 2,048. So what will be the area? Area will be equal to 2,048 divided by 64. Let's do that. 48 divided by 64. 3s are you get. 3s are 64 into 3, 192. 192. So 2, 1, 128. 2s are 128. So it's get the area is equal to 32 meters square. So what will be the length? Length is equal to area by the breadth is already given us 5 meters, right? Length is equal to area by breadth, that is equal to 32 by 5. 32 by 5. 6 are 32, 0. So it's 4. So you'll get 6.4 meters as the length. Now what's the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 2 times L plus B. 2 times 6.4 plus 5, that is equal to 2 times 11.4. 22.8 meter you will get. Now cost of fixing a border very small width along its boundary. So along its boundary means perimeter matters, right? So what will be the answer? 22.8 into 60. So you'll get 22.8 into 6. 4, 12 plus 4 is 16, 1 balance 13. So you'll get 1,368 rupees. 2 times L plus B, that is equal to 2 into 25 plus 75. 200 meters. Hope it's clear, children. Please complete this in your class.